Hola, bom dia mundo, from the forest. Hey Story, ready for a hike? And you've got there 2 toys. You got in there an armadillo. Wow. My back is feeling much better. If you saw yesterday's vlog, I busted my back somehow, but I'm feeling good now. And we're gonna go for a little hike to a waterfall nearby. Story's getting into the backpack right now. Ready for a forest adventure? Story.
Yay.
Yeah? Are you ready? Is it gonna be fun? That sweet face. Sacha spent all morning making some vegan snacks for us, which are in the backpack, aren't they?
Yep.
We're feeling...
All morning though.
Well, at least an hour.
No.
Half an hour?
Minutes.
Here in central Portugal, if you don't live near to a city, it's quite difficult to buy vegan snacks, so we do have to make our own. We'll show you them later. I can see you've got some lemon water there, Story. Yum. Ready to go. Sacha's wearing the Feeling Ted's backpack today. I've got the backpack that separates from it on my back.
Yeah.
Let's start this hike. I've been noticing as we've been walking through the forest a few of these little chapels. I've seen 3 of them so far, perhaps unique to this area. The Story, the waterfall we're going to is called Quedas das Parades, I think. It's near to our town of Mortágua, so this was only a few minutes from where we live, about 15-20 minutes drive.
Yeah.
And this is the beautiful Vale de Parades, the village where we're going to start our walk from. It's a proper little farming town, this one. And it's absolutely beautiful too, especially with those dark clouds up there. We were just saying to each other, this reminds us of where we used to live in Thailand a few years ago. What do you think, Sash?
It does, yeah. Like North Thailand, Chiang Rai.
Stunning.
Yeah.
It's a sign, Sash. That tree there, it's got an 8 right in the centre of it. 8 miles from home, come this way. It's a lemon tree, Story. Whoa, they're not ready yet though. There we go, Quedas de Agua. This is the walk. We've begun the hike now. Somebody's got a beautiful flower garden here. Loads of pretty colours. Story's looking at them.
It's so lovely.
Look at those flowers, Story. Alright, should we go?
Yeah.
Water, yeah, we're in the forest now, but we can hear the water. And here's a stream. It's your little life lesson day. Nature. You could cross this river here if you had the right footwear, but we don't, so we know there's a bridge further down, we'll go there. It's right there. It's a bit wilder up here. We're on the flatter path now. It's a bit easier from here, feels a bit more downhill. Speaking of downhill, Story, do you remember the last time we came here and we were bouncing down this road? You were screaming away with laughter.
Yeah.
She thought it was hilarious.
Yeah, that was a weekend vlog.
Yeah, it was one of our weekend vlogs if you haven't seen it. I think Story must have been about 13 months old then,
Yeah.
a while back. I've got a clip of it here and you can see how much different she looks then to how she looks now. What's Mummy doing? Is that funny? Oh. We're starting to see it now. This is part of it. This is part 2.
Yay! We made it!
Big smile from Story. Woohoo!
Good workout for me.
Yeah.
10.5 kilo baby on my back.
All that extra weight, yeah. Now we're going to have our vegan lunch by the falls. Let's see what Sacha's made for us. Okay, so I think inside here we've got hummus with beetroot. We have some bio spelt rye bread and Story's favourite, ripe pear slices. And this is what Sacha was whizzing up this morning, raw balls.
I've got a challenge for you though.
What's that?
There's a secret ingredient in it.
Secret ingredient?
Secret ingredients that aren't normally in it, so you can see if you can guess what's in it.
Alright, I reckon I can.
That one? Yeah. And then taste it. Yum. Wow.
Ooh. Slippery, aren't they? Apple, no, that's a pear. Nom. That nice? Good girl. Alright, I think the secret ingredient is cinnamon.
No.
What was it?
Walnut butter.
Oh, really?
And sultanas.
Ah, I see. Yum. Is that yum? Story loves strong flavours, doesn't she? Going back in for more.
We've just walked down this little hill here, and Story and Daddy have gone for a little adventure. And Story is in. Is that cold, Story?
Freezing.
Is it? She doesn't seem to care. You didn't splash splash? Story, is that fun? Is that fun?
Did you enjoy that?
Let's get the towel and wipe your little feet.
Yeah.
Right, we are all cleared up and Daddy is up there. Can you see him waving? Daddy's climbed up the steep hill up there. It is too difficult for us to go up there as well. There's nothing to hold on to and it looks a little bit slippery, but of course Miss Story wants to follow Daddy. He'll be back soon. I think Jay's going to get some footage on his phone from up there.
This is the viewpoint from halfway up. There's Mummy down there and baby Story. And I'm going to go and see the waterfall. This is the viewpoint when you start getting on the other side of the hill. Sacha was absolutely terrified for me to come up here. And it's funny how somebody else's fears can really rub off on you. If she didn't say anything, I would have just come straight up. But because she was worried, I started to get worried. Ready for the grand finale? Here it is. This iPhone camera definitely doesn't do this enough justice. So I'm going to take a few HDR shots so you can see what it really looks like. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to start heading back because I don't want Sacha to start worrying that I've slipped over or something. I'm still alive. Can you see me? Sash? I'm standing right on top of the waterfall now. This is what it looks like from the top.
Right, I've just packed Story back into the bag. We're ready to go. I can see Daddy coming back down now. Oh! Here he comes. Okay?
Yeah. I'm glad I went up there. It's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We forgot to say when we first arrived, but it was an hour's hike from where we parked the car to the falls, so we're going to start heading back now.
It's been threatening to rain the whole time, but it hasn't actually rained on us, has it?
Nope.
Nope.
We've been lucky.
Yeah, I'm glad we came out. The first time we came to this waterfall, there was a rope leading up to the top, and I used it to pull my way up there. The second time we came, the rope was gone, and we looked at it and said, might be a bit too dangerous to do that without the rope now. So today I looked at it and I was like, I want to see that view again. And I forced myself to go up there. And it was actually probably easier without the rope because I wasn't relying on it.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy that I faced that little fear and broke through it, because I have felt that the older you get, the more of those you get.
Yeah, that's true.
You have to make conscious decisions to break through them. Otherwise, you just start getting afraid of everything.
It probably looks more intimidating from down below, maybe, looking up at it.
It really does, because it's only the first bit that looks slippery, the rest is fine.
Yeah. I haven't
Saying
been
that,
up there.
you haven't been up there, but we've always had Story with us, and
Yeah.
she's in a backpack or she was in a sling and she was too young. So there'll come a point where we're all independent of each other and we'll go there and we'll look at the waterfall as a family.
It's just stunning views everywhere. Look at that. Just did a little thumbs up.
First ever time splashing around in the puddles. Look at our little dress flying in the wind. So many cool things in here. We've just gone underneath the staircase.
So picturesque.
Guess what? That's yours.
They're flying.